So this is a really quick video and it will show you how to find content ideas that will drive traffic straight away from your own Google Search Console data. So I'm here in a blank Google Sheet. I have an extension already installed. It's called Search Analytics for Sheets. And let's see, come on, open up. I'm going to request data from Search Console, and I'm going to use a website that I don't mind people seeing. So I'm going to change it from 28 days to 6 months. For this one, 360, yeah, that'll do. And all I'm looking for is for query data. I don't need anything else. This will give me up to 25,000 rows, and I just hit the request. That's it. It's as quick as that. So I want to delete this sheet. So delete, fine. And I have all of the data from Google Search Console. I'm going to download this in a Microsoft file, and it's downloaded. So, and now we're going to go into ChatGPT to get content ideas. So, and here's what I'm going to do. Suggest blog post titles that will bring traffic based on the data from this sheet. Only use queries that have 0 clicks, because I don't want any cannibalization of the keywords that are already bringing traffic. I want the keywords to have impressions greater than 50. You can move this up or down, whatever you want. And I want them between positions between 10 and 200. I don't want to use the ones that are already ranking in the top 10, because I can usually get them to rank higher just using internal links, and again I want to avoid cannibalization. So I'm going to upload the sheet from my computer. And what was that file? No. There we go. And here's the file. I'll just let it upload. And so in here, I've only said to it, please suggest blog post titles that will bring traffic. So we can actually go a bit deeper on this. So here's what it's given me as ideas that will boost traffic. Okay, so it's given me 8. So please give me 50 blog post ideas. So then give me 50 and it will go away and it will find 50 for me. And I can filter that even more if I want. And here we go. And all of these blog post titles are based on data that's already in Google Search Console. So I can take all of these and put them in a keyword research tool if I want, but usually with things like this I'm targeting long tail, and yeah. So that's given me 50 blog posts, it's given me 8 up here. But what if I just want Give me only post titles with that are relevant to accountants. And let's see what it does here. And I've yeah, so that gives me a few. So if I'm needing to build out a particular topic area, I can look at creating content round about only one particular topic area. Post ideas about growing your business. And we have a few more then about growing your business. There we go. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for listening.